Look at this plate of raw meat. Eat it now, and you will die. Serious bacteria will literally destroy your weak stomach. But 200,000 years ago, things changed. Your ancient ancestors ate this every single day. No cooking, no fire, just pure raw flesh. And they didn't get sick even once. How did their bodies handle this deadly food? Is it magic? Or luck? No, it's evolution. The secret lies deep inside their ancient gut. Their stomach acid was like actual battery fluid. It melted bones and killed every single parasite. But modern humans lost this amazing superpower completely. Today, our bodies are incredibly soft and weak. So what exactly ruined our perfect internal defense? The answer will absolutely shock your entire brain. It all started with a single spark. Fire was born, and everything changed forever. Cavemen accidentally dropped meat into the hot flames. Instead of ruining it, it became delicious. Cooked meat was softer and much easier to chew. Their bodies didn't need to work hard. Digestion became fast. Super fast, actually. Fire basically did half the stomach's job outside. Over thousands of years, a trade-off happened. Because our food was pre-digested by the fire, the human stomach began to shrink rapidly. It got smaller and much weaker. Our heavy, super strong acid production slowed down completely. Where did all that extra energy go? It traveled up, straight into the brain. Digestion takes a massive amount of body energy. Raw meat requires hours of intense braking. But cooked meat cuts that process in half. Suddenly, humans had massive fuel left over. The brain grew, much bigger and smarter. We traded our super stomachs for super intelligence. Our ancestors became masters of the planet. They built tools, conquered lands, and survived anything. But this trade left a dangerous loophole behind. We became vulnerable to invisible killers in food. Modern human bodies simply forgot how to fight. And that brings us to the ultimate nightmare. Meet the hidden monsters inside modern meat. Their names are Salmonella and E. coli. Ancient animals lived in wide, open, clean spaces. Their meat carried very few deadly pathogens. And now here, the part 1 is completed. Wait for part 2. In part 2, interesting point are come so ready for part 2. See you soon.